Hi, thank you for visiting my channel again. Today I'm making Japanese home cooking set meal for you. These are plates of traditional Japanese food called washoku. Have you ever heard the word washoku? Washoku is dietary culture of the Japanese. It was registered as a UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage in December 2013. I'm showing a set meal called Ichiju Sansai today. It is one of the traditional serving style of washoku for Japanese home cooking. Ichiju Sansai literally means one soup and three dishes. For Japanese cuisine, cooked rice is treated as the main food. It means staple food. Cooked short grain rice and miso soup as the base, and then three other dishes are prepared to enhance the taste of rice. Dish 1 is usually a source of protein. Dish 2 and 3 are usually a source of vitamin, minerals, and dietary fibers. Also, pickled vegetables always come together with cooked rice. The pickled vegetables are not counted as a side. It doesn't always have to have three dishes besides rice. Two or sometimes one can be enough. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to prepare the Ichiju Sansai set meal. Do you know what it is? It is a fermented rice bran bed to pickled vegetables. This is a pickled cucumber. It is such a unique way of preserving food, don't you think? I have another video about the unique pickles, so please watch it later. The link is in the description below. I washed off the rice bran and now I'm cutting the pickled cucumber. These kind of pickled vegetables are almost always served next to cooked rice. Here I have several plates set on a tray. Japanese cuisine is often served on a tray like this, and also all in separate small dishes. I have already put the pickles in the smallest plate. Now I'm taking one portion of the side dish. These are green beans with sesame dressing. Then I will serve stewed meat and potatoes. They are also side dishes. Usually, two of the dishes often contain seaweed, vegetables, mushrooms, potatoes, and so on. These are a source of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fibers. These stewed meat and potatoes are called Niku jaga. This is probably the most common and also popular taste of home cooking. Each householding has their own special taste of Niku jaga. Here, I have already prepared grilled salmon. On this plate, usually food such as fish, meat, eggs, beans, and bean products like tofu are often served, and they are sources of protein and fat. I am heating up the miso soup here. Today's miso soup is the most basic one, tofu and wakame seaweed. There are actually thousands of different recipes. Finally, I'm serving cooked rice. I made videos to show you how to make each of the dishes on the tray, including miso soup and rice. So please check out the link in the description later. Now you see, this is the very basic style how Japanese home cooking are served. 1 bowl of rice and soup. That is the basic. Then 3 dishes and pickled vegetables. All the food are there to support rice. Japanese people eat other dishes together with rice. I made 2 sets of Ichiju Sansai meal today. Cooked rice as a staple food, miso soup, and grilled salmon, potatoes and some meat, green beans with sesame sauce, and pickled cucumber, and eat with rice. All side dishes are prepared to support intake of the cooked rice, which has quite bland taste. So that's why traditionally Japanese foods are often kind of salty. I don't really like salty food, so in my recipe, I use much less salt comparing to traditional recipes. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please consider watching my videos below for the recipes. That's going to be my motivation to make another video. See you soon. Thank you.